What's going on, everyone? Just wanted to give a overall CAT system update for the next few months. So this is for phase 2A, 2B, 2C, and 2D data. The date 11/29/2021. Small industry members and their CAT reporting agents must complete production readiness testing for 2A, 2B, 2C, and 2D reporting. This is on 11/29. Now we have phase 2A, 12/13/2021. Small firms, production go live for equities 2A reporting requirements. Phase 2B, same date, 12/13. Small firms, production go live for options 2B reporting requirements. Phase 2C, small firms, production go live for equities 2C reporting requirements is also 12/13. And then we also have phase 2D, production go live for phase 2D reporting requirements for large industry members on the 13th, as well as small firms production go live for phase 2D, as well as LTID account information reporting goes live for phase 2D, which are large industry members on 12/13. Lastly, for 12/13, we have LTID account information reporting go live for phases 2A, 2B, 2C, and 2D for small industry members. And lastly, 1/31, with this last three sets of dates, we have January 31st, customer and account information test environment opens. April 25th, customer and account information production environment opens. That's for industry members. And then lastly, July 11th, 2022, customer and account information production environment go live. So looks like July 11th is when it will be fully operational. There you have it.